नमस्कार. आयच्या ब्रेक वराक तुमकां येवकार. दोन विशय आहात महत्वाचे. पयलो आसा तो म्हळ्यार रिजनल प्लॅन TDR. आनी आज जी विजय बाबान सांगलें की जशी कन्वर्शना खातीर रिक्वेस्ट येतल्यो त्यो पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट आनी प्रायोरिटी लक्षांत घेवन TCP बोर्डा म्हऱ्या धाडपाची जी एक पोरणी पद्दत आशिल्ली जी बंद जाल्ली ती परत सुरू करप. त्याच बरोबर गोवा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँक ह्या विशयाची आमी भासाभास करतात. दोन मानेस्त पयले आसात काँग्रेसीचे ज्येष्ठ फुडारी आनी आमदार आलेश श्रीनाथ स्वागत. आनी दुसरे आसात गोवा फॉरवर्डाचे फुडारी आनी चीफ स्पोक्स पर्सन राजन बाब डिमेलो. I'll start with you. So today your good friend was explaining how the regional plan would be done and how the concept of TDR, transfer of development rights, would be implemented. Are you happy? Are you happy listening to him?
See, I have reminded him that the BJP government came into power in 2012 saying that it's going to scrap the plan or rather have a plan which will take people into confidence. काय ना 5 वर्स ती फुटयले आनी ताका सांगला लास्ट की बाबा कितकोत तें सारकें कर तें आनी तें सारकें हें जावपा जायना म्हणजे 2000 नाव ही सेइंग 2030 तें 2030 हा तें रॅम्पंट करप्शन वो करप्शन कंटिन्यूड जावपा जायना. गोंयकारपण आहा तें सांबाळो जाय. ओनर्स ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ गोंयकारपण विजय सरदेसाई मुगे गुड फ्रेंडाचेर आहा आनी तेणें म्हाका एश्युरन्स दिला. विश्वास ना आज सध्या ना कित्याक तेणें सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन ना कित्याक तो मातशें उलयले ते भाशेन म्हाका सदां सगळें मिक्स अप केलें तेणें. बट आय हॅव टू सीट विथ हिम एंड टेल हिम इवन विश्वास स नाल्यार ताका विश्वास बिल्ड करून हें करूं पडटलें आनी खरें जर गोंयकारपण जर तो सांबाळटलो हें तेणें करूं पडटा म्हूण ताका हांव सांगता.
नायस टू हियर दॅट बोथ ऑफ यू स्टील सिट टुगेदर. राजन बाब तो म्हणटा हें 2011 वेल्यान सुरवात जाल्ली, 2021 जाली, आतां 2030 जाली आनी परत आतां तुमी म्हणटात की 6 म्हयन्या भितर आमी रिजनल प्लॅन काडटले म्हणून. वॉट इज दीस? यू हॅव बीन ऑन ऑल सायड्स ऑफ द आयल्स. वॉट इज दीस थिंग? वाय रिजनल प्लॅन इज सो डिफिकल्ट? आता 6 महिने म्हणटा तुम्ही 2030 म्हणटात, 2021ची जी एक्सरसाइज केल्ली ती सध्या कुशीक दवरया म्हणटात. व्हॉट इज इट?
See, as you have said, I've been on different sides of the aisle.
Yeah.
It is by God's plan, that though Reginald Bab, Vijay Bab and myself had same ideas, same motives, but by God's plan we are on different sides today. Now, when you see, you are asking Reginald Bab whether he has got Viswas. Yeah, you cannot expect him to say openly here he got Viswas. He won't able to enter the Congress house. But he projected one Viswas, that he has got Viswas that he can convince Vijay to do the right things. So this is a great trust he has in him. And he has rightly said that I will sit with him. And I think, even I have just joined, I will be also sitting with him. And I think if people like us, again, the same ideas of what he was also a part earlier, that today the only part is Reginald Bab is sitting in the opposition. He may only shout and criticize from that side. Today Vijay Bab is on the ruling side, where is in a position to implement those ideas.
तुम्ही ताकाय गोवा फॉरवर्ड जॉइन जा म्हणटा?
No, there is no need of Goa forward joining. No, if in the interest of Goa, he is not interested. I think he would have joined last time only. That was the big thing. In fact, if I am going out of the way, Luizin Falero was trying to push him out of the Congress. Was he not an MLA, you would have been expelled before me. But being an MLA, he could not be. Who?
Atnaga Reginald tumga.
No, we want his ideas, we want his motives. Why should he leave a party which he has worked slogged? He should have been heading that party today. But that is the Congress at the end of the day. You know it better. They will never improve.
तो तुका बरो म्हणटा तुझे पार्टीचे टॉन्ट मारता.
I'm not saying
I told
government.
Manor Parrikar also. I told him don't talk against the party. Talk against whoever you want. This is a party which has given independence to India and not like the RSS office. तेणी काँग्रेस पार्टीन जायत्यो वस्तू गोंयांकूय दिले आनी इंडियाकूय दिले. आज आमी डेमोक्रेसी उरल्या नाजाल्यार आज फेनेटीक राज जातालो चोय तूं ह्या 5 वर्सांनी.
पण म्हाका एक गजाल सांग, आज राजना सारको मनीस, विजया सारको मनीस आज बीजेपी बरोबर आसा आनी तांचो प्रायमरी मुद्दो आसा इंक्लुडींग ऑन रिजनल प्लॅन की ज्यो गजाल्यांक तुमी झगडटाले फाटली 5 वर्सां त्यो गजाली आज आमी हाडटा न्ही का म्हणटा ते पावरा आसा आमी वी विल इम्प्लिमेंट दोज. ताजेर तुमी क्रिटिसायज कित्याक करता? सपोर्ट करात तांकां.
ना कितें जालां तो भिरांत सोदा तेच बरोबर तो आहा न्ही आमगे तेंगे प्रोसोरू तेंगे टीचर आहा न्ही तो मातशें यू टर्न मारपी ताका लागून भिरांत दिसता मनोहर पर्रीकर म्हणटा. नाजाल्यार आज देखून सांगिल्लें काय कोलाचेर पयर कोलाचेर तुवें एश्युरन्स दिलां युटर्न मारशी हा मग आज ताका परतून उगडास केला एनवायरमेंटल डिमांड्साचेर कित्याक तो ही इज अ लिटल बीट डायसी गाय देर
दुसरी गजाल म्हळ्यार टीडीआर
Yes.
You agree with the concept of TDR? Conceptually, Vijay has been pushing it very strongly.
See, I can't say anything right now. Let him come with the idea, proper idea. Because TDR म्हणटा जायत कडेन जाला आनी तेका हे येयले तेका lot of objection suggestions येयले and some things are like, for example, today on FEB I have suggested हे काड ते काड ते भाशेन जर तर बरे भाशेन सगळे हे घेवन जाता जाल्यार then we can think about it. But in principle, if it is not fixing in the means लोकां इंटरेस्ट जायना कित्याक तुका सांगिना तो मास्तर आहा न्ही इल्लोसो तो मातशें तेगे आयडियार घालूंक जायना तेणें सो तें जर तर बरे भाशेन केलें आनी let it go for open debate, let it go
And they are saying that within 6 months they will give you regional.
Yeah, I took an assurance. I took an assurance from him that he is going to no. Actually, he gave an assurance not for the regional plan. He gave an assurance that he will put the proper the illegal construction ती सगळी पडे illegal construction जालो हाय slopes बी थिंग आदा proper act will come in force so that they don't this.
केन्ना मेरेन जातलो regional plan?
See,
What is the reality?
see, the reality is this.
आम्ही फक्त वर्सां आयकता वर्सां.
Correct. This is true. That is true.
डॉक्युमेंट मेळत ना.
Yeah. The question is this. As he has rightly said, he has given assurance that he would amend the Town and Country Planning Act to make it more strong, to make it more vibrant, to make it more in a position to take action. Now this TDR, as explained,
Transfer development rights.
as explained,
हय.
it is in the interest of Goyekar and Goyekar Pond. Because the people, original people are holding land and are not in a position to do anything because it is non-convertible. They are not in a position to bribe people. Big builders come, buy it, and the whole greenery goes over. Now he is going to give you development rights on that.
Correct.
Where you can sell it to a builder who can go vertical.
Yeah.
You get value for a land which is actually nobody wants and you don't know what to do with it.
Correct.
Secondly, your greenery and the ecosystem status are going to be preserved.
Correct.
So, I think this is a fantastic plan he has come out with. And this is not going to be simple. He said 6 months. God bless him if he can do it. But definitely because it's a big job, the entire Goa area will have to be mapped out, where you'll have to give development rights, at what rate and everything have to be, it will have to be worked out. So, but let us see because he has said 2030 will be the regional plan. At this stage, people like Regional Bab and all, and I am positive, he cannot talk it publicly. They will sit with him, guide him, and support him and cooperate with him to see that a good plan has been brought out that saves Goyekar and Goyekar.
केन्ना कितले टाइम जाय तुमकां?
He has asked for 6
वर्सां?
months. He asked for 6 months. Maximum may go for 1 year.
Okay.
Because
कितें कर तेक वी टर्न मारनाक म्हूण सांग पर्रीकरान यू टर्न मारिता
no. See,
let's see owners of responsibility lies on him.
let me one make thing clear. There is a mixed conception that Vijay also made a U-turn as far as
यू टर्न न्ही तेक वी टर्न म्हणपाचो
okay V-turn or you call it C-turn. This is the wrong conception.
Nationalization river
One
माल
minute,
तेणे
I'm coming to the national reserve. Let us come to that. Why he's made it? Why? There is a perception that he was against BJP and he joined head with BJP. This is a false concept. After filing of nominations in the 2017 assembly elections, the Congress became the number one enemy of Goa Forward. They called them traitors. Check the record. You have got them. All leaders today who are criticizing Vijay, who were with him for the elections, saying that he made a V-turn, see their speeches.
So you still agree
That he had criticized the
so you
Congress.
still agree,
And yet,
no,
one minute,
so you still agree
It doesn't
that you still agree that BJP is your number 2 enemy, not an ally.
No, it was 1 minute. Everything changes. Politics is not static. It is dynamic.
I agree.
1 minute. Let me finish.
Yeah.
See, those speakers who were with him till the... What did Louis Farmer make a statement 2 days before the elections? I will cooperate with GSM and I will cooperate with MGP and form the government. Before the results. What are you trying to tell? And you expect a man to
So
just come and
BJP
follow
is
it?
no longer
1
your
minute.
enemy.
1
No,
minute.
my question is specific.
Today-
Luisin Falero is no longer the GPCC president.
No,
Let
why
us-
has GPCC
Let us not talk about it.
No, you cannot talk about
Let
it.
us not talk about
Today
it.
the Congress-
You tell me one thing,
Today the
Rajan
Congress
Bab.
is crumbling on his
Rajan Bab,
foundation.
Rajan Bab, you tell me one thing. Let us not talk about Congress. Let Royal talk
Okay,
about Congress.
talk.
Is BJP your enemy today or
How
not?
can it be our enemy when he is ally? The whole scenario has changed. Please
So
understand.
that's not a V-turn.
No,
Ah, okay.
definitely not a V-turn. It could be V-turn for them, not for us.
ओके तर म्हणटा की टुडे काँग्रेस इज द एनिमी नंबर 1 ऑफ गोवा फॉरवर्ड आणि तू म्हणटा की आपण तांचे बरोबर बसून उलयतलो म्हणून.
I'll correct him. When he says the Congress, I am correcting Projan. Don't say the Congress.
I didn't say
One
Congress
second,
is number
one
one.
second. Say
One minute.
Congress
He's
leaders.
putting words in my mouth.
Okay.
I
I'm
didn't
not
say
putting words in your
You
mouth.
only asked me whether BJP is my enemy.
You said Congress became
I said-
enemy number 1.
At the election time.
Okay.
Yes.
I want
the
to correct
election,
him.
no?
I'll make an amendment in that thing. He say Congress leaders. Congress Munaka. Kidago Vijay Sardesai has got up, has learned politics, all the things, and he was a student of the Congress party. So he cannot deny it. जो पडे पार्टीन वयस सोल्ला ते पार्टीक तेज्यान क्रिटिसाइज करूं जाय हें तेका डायरेक्ट सांगता हांव. सेकंड आनी तो म्हणटा की काँग्रेस पार्टी लिडर म्हूण
I named him, no?
काँग्रेस
You did
लिडर
not
म्हूण
name
तूं
him.
हांव नेम आनी कोन्ना
You got some kind of
हांव
leader.
नेम कोन्ना आय बीन वोकल इनफ आनी नाका
Yeah.
बट तेका
But
नेम
आज जेन्ना विजय सरदेसाय असेंब्ली भितर एक कॉन्सेप्ट मांडटा
हय
की पयलींची जी सिस्टम आशिल्ली की प्रपोजल जें आसा लँड कन्वर्शनाचें झोन चेंजाचें तें टावन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग बोर्डा म्हऱ्यान वतलें आनी एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट प्रायोरिटी पब्लीक इंट्रस्ट केस टू केस बेसिसाचेर कन्वर्शन्स अलाव किंवा डिसअलाव करपाची गजाली जातल्यो.
हय
काँग्रेस एग्रीज विथ दिस नाव.
No, Congress agrees with this is not. See the scenario. PDN plan केले.
हय.
FIR सोडयलो. PDN rampant. म्हापसा PDN आनी चौपाना. म्हापसा PDA उदकेल जाल्यार ग्रीन आनी ना. थिंग सगळें रेड जाला. पेंटिंग केला. सो तें चोय जाल्यार भिरांत दिसता आनी विजय कितें जाला आतां BJP बरोबर आहा न्ही. सो तेक लागून एंटायर ट्रस्ट करपाक भिरांत जाता. सो आतां एक आहा. तेका लागून म्हणलें आमी बयसून बरे भाशेन कोण घेच पडटलो नाल्यार जायच ना म्हणटे हांवें तें ओगी म्हणलो ना. आतां आय कॅन सीट विथ विजय.
बट यू एग्री विथ केस टू केस बेसिस क्लिअरन्सीस.
I asked him case to case basis, will it be viable as per law? I asked him whether it will fix law कायद्याप्रमाणे बसता काय ना विचारलाय. So because see regional plan आहा एक साइड तू म्हण case to basis म्हण. See I am telling you this all this mess no is created in they deliberately मरे हे create करतात. This is a lobby which is deliberately creating that mess, backdoor entry to clear files. If you go to the town planning आता 2000 प्लॅन हांव चॅलेंज मारता बीजेपीक. जरी तर 2000 प्लॅन कोणे जो तर ओरिजिनल काडलो आहा आनी तो 2000 प्लॅन आतां चोयलो तो पुर्तुराजू कोडे भितर आहा तो हांव चॅलेंज मारता ते प्लॅनाचेर पेंटींग केलां आहा 2001चेर. हांव चॅलेंज मारता मनोहर पर्रीकर सांग न्ही. हांव सांगा तुका दे पेंटेड द 2001 प्लॅन इवन आफ्टर नाव ते कितें केलें ते प्रिंट डिजिटलायज केला आनी तो हें करता.
This is a backdoor entry. The main point.
Backdoor,
is this is
I'll
a
tell you 1 second. This is deliberately done by a lobby to see that
So
it's happening.
this is a
and I'll
front-
tell you,
front
and
door
Manohar
entry.
Parrikar, this is Manohar Parrikar, the chief minister. आज देखो त्या काय सांगितलं in that Goa State Cooperative Scam. You are the chief minister. You are custodian of law. This is Manohar Parrikar. He calls himself the man with the. He calls himself the good man. He says I can manage fiscal. काय ना रे सोल सोरांगे राज रे हैं. हे बीजेपी का सांगता तू कसं कापास साड्या रिजनल पॅनलचेर क्लीन यो.
राजन बाब केस टू केस बेसिस कन्वर्शन्स आणि परत ती हाडप आणि मागीर ती रिजनल प्लॅना भितर इनकॉर्पोरेट करप अँड ही फील्स दॅट इट्स अ बॅकडोर एंट्री फॉर ऑल द रियल इस्टेट लॉबी टू गेट देअर फाइल्स क्लियर्ड विदाउट एनी
बरं मनुष्य आहे हा.
विदाउट एनी कंपल्शन
सोल सोर आहे ते.
ऑफ रिजनल प्लॅन.
See, the case-to-case basis also is a transparent scenario. When you place it, there is 60 days mandatory to be kept for objections and such. So it is also transparent. And throughout the Congress regime, this process only was
Yes,
being followed.
absolutely.
1 minute. This was stopped by a bureaucratic order, not by an elected government. And that created further that painting started after that. So to come somewhere, now you cannot keep the whole thing free, frozen. There are lands which would have come under 2030. So if it is fitting, if it is not eco-sensitive zone, yes, yeah, I've been hearing.
On board with them.
See, there is no question. I am very clear. I said whatever he does is for scrutiny. Wrong kota.
Yes, it is for
But
scrutiny.
ultimately,
The process only is scrutinable.
Process,
60
no.
days mandatory is their objection. It goes to all the departments for suggestions and objections. It is a scrutable thing. It's not a backdoor entry.
तू काय सांगू?
And therefore, on the floor of the
हे
House,
जो तर काँग्रेस
the
पार्टी
Congress has not opposed it. Nobody has opposed it.
काँग्रेस पार्टीन हे जो तर 2012 पयलीं केलोलें जाल्यार हे केस टू फेस बंद केलें काय ना ते कित्याक बंद केलें जीबीए हे जालें तेन्ना जीबीए एजिटेशन जालें काय ना हे बंद केलोलें आनी तें जर तर 2012 पयलीं स्टार्ट केलोलें जाल्यार आज आनी एक मोर्चा जाता आसली बट बीजेपीन केली काय ना ती कांय मोर्चा जायना आनी तीन तो मातशें आतां गोवा फॉरवर्ड पडलो एक्चुअली ते बीजेपीचे
हांव पडलो, तूं बसतलें आतां तुज्या वांगडा.
बीजेपी मातशें भितर पडलो तितून ते मेसान बट स्टील आय एम टेलिंग यू दीस पडे आहा ते इज फॉर पब्लीक स्क्रुटिनी See, for example, now we have not given a clean sheet for everything. That doesn't mean that Congress has not spoken. We have given. We have raised
I'm not
objection.
saying clean sheet.
Our demands high. Our demands high. So we cannot say that Congress has still given.
What I'm trying to
What,
say is this.
no, what about Goa State Cooperative Bank? What is your expectation
Are
from the government?
Goa State Government, I told Chief Minister that you are the custodian of law. That you have been the Chief Minister when last time 2012 no confidence motion gailole. Nós a memorandum malni sign. तेन्ना तूं चीफ मिनिस्टर तुवें सुभाष फळदेसाय साल्वा करपाक तेगे भावा साल्वा करपाक सुभाष फळदेसाय तुगे आमदारा साल्वा करपाक गव्हर्मेंट साल्वा करपाक तुवें गोवा स्टेट कॉपरेटिव्ह चेअरमॅनाक हाडला केला तुका जाय तो 5 वर्स जालीं आतां थिंगा फ्रॉड कंटिन्यू जाता तूं आतां एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर घात म्हणून सांगता तूं कितें करूं सोदिता तूं रेग्युलरायज करूं सोदी ती सॉल इलिगल जाल्यां ती
तुम्ही किती केले जाय? What do you want the chief
तुवें
minister?
मुळे भितोडयत म्हणलो हितूर हें आहा म्हणून हितूर हें आहा म्हणून आय वॉन्ट द चीफ मिनिस्टर बिफोर पुटिंग एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर टेक एक्शन ऑन ऑल द इरेक्टिविटीज डन बाय दीस प्रेझेंट एमडी एंड दीस प्रेझेंट चेअरमॅन फर्स्ट मागीर फाटल्या मुळेचे बी घाल पयलीं तेगल्याचे पयलीं घाल हे 5 वर्सांनी पड फ्रॉड जाला रायट फ्रॉम तुगेले रायट फ्रॉम कंप्युटर्स आनी बचेज आनी सेल लोन आतां हे 5 वर्सांनी जाला ते इट इज पर्रीकर बिकम्स अ कनायबर म्हणून सांगिल्लें ताका इन द क्रायम
तुगे agree आता की
See.
you need to act first. Administrator बी घालप ही एक administrative
I
प्रक्रिया.
think a time bound.
But there should be a criminal
Yes,
investigation.
a time bound criminal investigation.
Yes.
Should be there.
Okay.
Because when there are at least show to the people of Goa there is no fraud. The charges of fraud are actually
हांव कितें म्हणटा फाल्स जाल्यार ताका प्रूव करनी
yes, it should be because
Come on,
you cannot
Manoj
allow
Parrikar
this,
should take upon
you
responsibility
cannot allow this
to say
Apex Bank of
that
Goa,
Regina spoke lies.
you see,
Come on.
to be kept in hanging and the people's mind in total confusion. Even the investors and depositors are in confusion. That confusion has to be cleared. And I think Manohar Parrikar will do it. He has put a demand,
Yeah.
which I think is very reasonable.
Yeah, completely. You will support him on this demand.
I think everybody would support this demand, no? Why only I?
Everybody would support this demand.
Definitely.
So there should
To
be a
have an
criminal,
inquiry
There should
and
be a
make it-
time-bound criminal investigation.
Criminal you do, vigilance you do what you want, but see that the investors' money is safe and give them confidence that the bank will have to be
बारीक
closed down.
लोकांगे पयशे
Correct.
बारीक लोकांनी इन्व्हेस्ट केलो आहा बारीक लोकांनी बँक वयर काडलो आहा आनी इट इज अ पिपल्स मुवमेंट आय टोल्ड हिम इवन यू कॅन्ट हॅव एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर elect as a body to take charge. People have to vote. Shareholders have to vote for it. You cannot say 5 वर्स आपण administrator घाता हे तेगे पायगे फातू.
No, he has to create a mechanism
Not a mechanism.
wherein the investors, depositors' confidence is increased.
हांव चॅलेंज मारता लास्ट हांव सांगता मनोहर पर्रीकर कांय कोन्ना आनी तेका मातशें सांबाळपा पडटलो
His point is this is the takeover of all the cooperative sector in the state through backdoor again.
बॅकडोर नी
That is apprehension.
apprehension.
It will not happen. You are saying it will not
They are
happen.
there, no, to watch it.
We are there to watch it. Okay.
No, but don't
So
take me
म्हाका
turn on
दिसता-
it, huh?
No, no. म्हाका
Don't
म्हाका
take me
एकच
turn.
गजाल दिसता की वी आर देअर टू वॉच इट हे सध्या गोवा फॉरवर्ड प्रत्येक गजालीचेर गोंयकाराक सांगता कितली पळयतले आनी कितली आडायतले हे म्हाका दिसता फुडले एक वर्सभरा भितर सगळ्यांक दिसून येतले आनी एकच सादी अपेक्षा आसा की गोंयकारांचो पयसो गोंयकारांच्यो जमनी आनी गोंयकारांची आयडेंटिटी हाजे कडेन पयशां खातीर किंवा राजकारणा खातीर खेळ जावचो न्ही
हांव तुका एक एश्योरन्स दिता एका वर्सान
हय.
गोवा फॉरवर्ड विल बी द पार्टी ऑफ द फ्युचर ऑफ गोवन्स.
अशें म्हाका एक दिसता की प्रत्येक पॉलिटिकल पार्टीन बरे भशेन काम केल्या पुरो जर बरें काम करतलो तो फ्युचर
आणि
आसतलो.
पीपल
आणि
लायक
त्याच्या
रेजिनल
बाब-
बाब
How he saved Goa,
Why, please
people
save
like
Goa.
Reginald Bob will assist us in doing and
Reginald
helping
Bob
us.
came into politics with Save Goa and now we hear Goinkarpan. So I hope that what you
Come
say
to
is
save Goa
correct.
and we'll land it Goa forward.
I hope what you say
Because Congress is coming. That's a fact. He knows it.
म्हाका
He
इतलेंच
can't say it
दिसता
openly.
की
No, you can't say that.
गोंयच्या
You can't say.
राजकीय पक्षांनी प्रामाणिकपणान काम केल्यार पुरो गोंयचे हित लक्षांत घेवन आयले इतली बरे भशेन मतां मांडली थँक्स अ लॉट पवित्र नमस्कार.